My name is Judith Blumeno. I practice family law in Bingham Farms, Michigan. My practice specifically includes Wayne, Oakland, Macomb, Washtenaw, Livingston, and Lapeer counties. You can reach me at 248-593-9090 or my website www.judithblumeno.com. Part of the divorce process is the division of the parties' assets and debts. Michigan law states that the distribution of your assets and your debts should be done in an equitable manner. Couples who have prenuptial agreements have already predetermined the distribution of their assets and debts. Michigan recognizes prenuptial agreements as binding on the parties. There are various ways in which people can determine the distribution of their assets and debts. They can negotiate an agreement as between them with the assistance of their attorneys. This is the least stressful and the least expensive way to divide your property. If the parties cannot agree as between them, they can obtain the services of a mediator, who is a family law attorney with expertise as a mediator. The mediator is an independent third party who works with both parties to help you come to an agreement concerning the distribution of your assets and debts. Another way is the parties can choose to have the property issues arbitrated. The arbitrator is a family law attorney with expertise as an arbitrator. After consulting with both parties as to how they each want the distribution to take place, the arbitrator looks at the parties' wishes, all the assets and debts, applies the law and equity, and issues an order for the distribution. The benefit of arbitration as opposed to a trial is that arbitration is more informal, less expensive, and less stressful than a trial. However, the parties can have a trial and litigate the distribution of your assets and debts. This is the most expensive and most stressful way of handling your case. The judge will listen to the testimony of the parties, also listen to the testimony of any witnesses that each party cares to call for trial, and the judge will also look at all of the exhibits and all the evidence provided. Then the judge applies the law and issues an opinion and order by which the parties are bound. My goal in representing my clients is to achieve an outcome that is fair and equitable, taking into consideration all of the circumstances. I'm Judith Blumeno, practicing in Oakland, Wayne, Macomb, Washtenaw, Livingston, and Lapeer counties. You can reach me at 248-593-9090 or my website www.judithblumeno.com.